I don't know, but I got a hole burnt in my shirt. I thought it was the... Did you come that close to me?
Oh, wow.
I don't know either, but I just got a hole burnt right there in my shirt.
I thought she said it lasted for like a couple more. Another one?
All right. Well, I did too.
I jumped.
Hey, careful with that. It's okay. We're good. Because I jumped too. Just be careful with Mom. Back up. That's cool.
Now smoke bomb.
Okay, smoke bomb.
Can I do it?
What color smoke bomb are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I please do one? No.
Ask Ronnie if you can do a green or a purple.
Can I do a purple? One. That's all.
Okay.
She said that you... These ones just throw smoke. They don't blow through.
Yeah.
Another one then. Hurry.
Here, let me do it. Go.
Watch the punk.
Hurry, Denise, go. Denise, look. All I'm doing is throw smoke. That's awesome. You can see the color.
Here, Ronnie. Green. That's almost white, huh?
Give me the punk. Give me the punk.
Please.
Are those the blowing up ones? No, they don't blow up.
Sweet. Okay, we got one more blowing up one. Stand back away from me. I'm gonna have to watch the replay and see if I can tell what happened.
Hat just got him. He lost his hat and everything.
Well, I was trying to catch his hat.
That?
Yep. Those are fun. All right. We ready to go to some big fireworks at the barbecue?